We got the Detroit axle shocks right here. Special on eBay, $200 for the two. So $100 a shock, y'all. Brand new. Real quick, we try to see which one's left, which one's right. And I'm pretty sure if I go to my paperwork, it's 4-1 and 4-2 will tell me left and right. Gotta double check that. Oh, this is all the work that we gotta do. It's a lot of work, man, to do it on the street. Brand new shocks here. Here's the old one. And I had to take out the hood. You see? I took out the hood because Honda made these holes. Well, you could actually see you actually take out the strut, the whole shock and strut. All right. So you just gotta elevate it. Use your jack to jack this up. The lower control arm, and there you go. Okay, so as I'm putting this in, right, it's actually kind of hard to keep up. You might need two people to hold this up. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack it up just enough to go into the holes and then tighten it up with the bolts. So the second job was much easier. These are the two shocks right here. He just drove off a little test drive. But I told him if he's still hearing noises after that, then they got to be his control arms and stabilize the links. But unfortunately, I didn't get to really record that so much. You know, I always say the same kind of thing. I know, sorry guys. But y'all get the point. I mean, I showed y'all what y'all needed. It wasn't that hard on the second run. And the customer's happy. I don't like to record not knowing if the job is going to be done. And I did forget to buy stabilizer links, which is something I do recommend you replace when you do shocks. So I'm just cleaning up now, but the time is over. Thanks for watching, y'all, again.